Class 9 Science and Technology Part 1 Chapter 1 Laws of Motion. Subtopic Uniform and Non-Uniform Linear Motion. So today we are going to learn about uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Here, to study this topic, we are going to take an example of three friends. Three friends, Amar, Akbar and Anthony, are traveling in different cars with different velocities. The distance covered by them during different time interval are given as. We will consider Amar as A, Akbar as B and Anthony as C. So at 5 o'clock, Amar is at 0, Akbar is also 0 and Anthony is also at 0 kilometers. After half an hour, Amar reaches 20 kilometers, Akbar reaches 18 kilometers and Anthony reaches 14 kilometers. Half more hour later, Amar reaches 40 kilometers, Akbar reaches 36 kilometers and Anthony is now at 28 kilometers. While in the next half, that is at 6:30, Amar is at 60 kilometers, Akbar is at 42 kilometers and Anthony is at 42 kilometers. Later half hour at 7 o'clock, Amar is at 80 kilometers, Akbar is now at 70 kilometers and Anthony is at 56 kilometers. While on 7:30, Amar reached 100 kilometers, Akbar reached 95 kilometers and Anthony is at 70 kilometers. And the last half, Amar is at 120 kilometers, Akbar is at 120 kilometers and Anthony is at 84 kilometers. So dear friends, from the given data, we observe that at the initial position, Amar is at 0. Then he reaches 20 kilometers. And third position, he is at 40 kilometers. And on the fourth position, he is at 60 kilometers. And fifth, he is 80 kilometers. And then 100 kilometers. And finally, at 120 kilometers. Means, if you will see, so there is gradual increase in the distance at every 30 minutes and that distance is 20 kilometers. Amar travels every 30 minutes 20 kilometers. While for Akbar, we can see that he started at 0. First interval he is at 18, then at 36 and then 42 and then 70 and 95 and finally at 120. And if you will see, at every 30 minutes, so first 30 minutes 18, second 30 minutes again 18 gets added. Next 30 minutes. Instead of adding 18, here increase is not uniform. Here in the third interval, he travels only 6 kilometer. About 6 kilometers in the third interval. While in the next one, he travels 28 kilometers. It means that every half hour distance covered is not uniform. And in case of Anthony, right from 0, 14 kilometers, then 28 kilometers, then 42 kilometers, then 56 kilometers, and 70 kilometers, and finally at 84 kilometers. So every 30 minutes, here Anthony is traveling 14 kilometers. Every 30 minutes, he is traveling 14 kilometers. So dear friends, from this example, we can explain that the Amar and Anthony are traveling at unit time, unit distance. So we can say that motion of Amar and Anthony is uniform motion, while in case of Akbar, it is non-uniform. So you can answer the questions from the textbook by this experiment as: what is the time interval between the notings of distance made by Amar, Akbar and Anthony? The time difference is every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes we are checking the distance traveled by them in all the three cases. Who has covered equal distances in equal intervals of time? So Amar and Anthony covered equal distances in equal interval of times. Next question is, are all distances covered by Akbar in the fixed time intervals the same? Then we say that no, Akbar did not travel at equal interval of time, equal amount of distance. Fourth question, considering the distances covered by Amar, Akbar and Anthony in the fixed intervals, what can you say about their speed? From these examples, we say that if object is covering equal distances in equal interval of time, then they are moving with uniform speed. Their speed is uniform. They are in uniform motion as their speed is uniform. So dear friends, if object covers on equal distance in equal time interval is said to be moving with non-uniform motion as well as non-uniform speed. Hope you enjoyed this and you learned in a proper way with this interesting example. So in the next period, the assessment for you: define uniform motion, uniform speed, non-uniform motion and non-uniform speed. Uniform and non-uniform linear motion. For example, a moving vehicle, assume car A, covers a distance of 150 meters in first 10 seconds. 150 meters more in the next 10 seconds. 150 meters in the third 10 seconds. And 150 meters in the next 10 seconds. So total distance is 600 meters. In this case, moving vehicle car A is moving in equal interval of time in equal distance covered. So it is said to be uniform motion. Similarly, a moving vehicle car B covers a distance of 50 meters in first 10 seconds, 90 meters more in the next 10 seconds, 180 meters in the third 10 seconds and 230 meters in the next 10 seconds. It means that the car is moving with non-uniform motion since an equal distance in equal interval of time is covered by the car. It is said to be non-uniform motion.